Hey everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm super excited to bring you this Minnie Mouse marvelous microwave. Look at all this stuff we're going to be cooking up.
Or should I say, heating up.
Oh, there's even a pretzel in there already. Here's the microwave taken out of the box. Let's check out all the treats it came with. First, we have a bag of popcorn. You gotta have popcorn when watching a movie. What kind of popcorn do you guys like?
Butter, kettle, caramel, zebra?
Next, we have a pretzel. There's also a bunch of different types of pretzels. This one looks like an original salted pretzel. We have 2 graham crackers to make s'mores later. Here's some chocolate. And here's this super cute marshmallow shaped like Mickey's head. And lastly, we have a cup of soup. Over on this side of the microwave, you can see that each of the items I just showed you has a corresponding button,
so that everything cooks perfectly.
Let's make some soup first. Now that it's fall, this would be great for those chillier nights. I'll just pop that in and press the soup button. Yay, the soup's done. Careful, it's hot. One delicious bowl of hot soup coming right out. Now let's make a pretzel. It sure is. If only we had some cheese dip to go with this pretzel. Now let's make some popcorn. It is fun, isn't it? I love the smell of popcorn.
It's the perfect movie theater treat.
We've had a lot of savory items now. Time to make some dessert.
Let's pop in the s'mores.
The microwave makes the chocolate all melty and the marshmallow all soft and fluffy.
Delicious!
So here's something I didn't tell you about the marvelous microwave. It's not only marvelous, it's magical. Here I have an empty FashEms container. Let's see if the magic microwave can help us out.
Come on, magic microwave!
Whoa! It turned into a My Little Pony FashEm.
Time to enjoy our treat.
There are 6 different kinds we could get. Let's open it up to find out which one we got. Ooh, we got Fluttershy!
Thank you, magic microwave. I knew you wouldn't let me down. Run off and play, Fluttershy.
Let's make some more magic. I wonder if it'll work with this pink egg. Only one way to find out. It did! I think I spotted Hello Kitty. Yep, it's a Hello Kitty super surprise egg. I can't wait to open it! First, we have some stickers of Hello Kitty doing various activities. Ooh, and a bag of candy. I've had these before and they're super hard, so make sure not to chew them right away. And here's a surprise toy! We got a heart-shaped pencil topper. Now that everybody's back in school, it would be a nice addition to your daily pencils. Alrighty, let's try another egg! This one matches the marvelous magic microwave. But other than that, there's not too much going on here. It's empty. In the magic microwave it goes.
Oops! Get in there!
Oh my gosh! It turned into a Shopkins surprise egg!
Woo! I love Shopkins!
On the front we have cookie and popcorn. But I'm more interested in what's inside of the egg. This paper shows us all the options we could get. We also get another bag of candy, but these ones are more like jelly beans. And for the surprise, we got a mini comb.
How cute is this?
It's perfect for brushing your doll's hair. Let's try another FashEms container. The first time we tried this, we got a My Little Pony FashEm.
Will it be the same this time?
Nope, I spy some princesses. We got a Disney Princess FashEm. There's 6 different girls we could get. Ooh, we got Belle! She looks beautiful in her yellow dress. This is what she wore when she danced with the Beast. Moving on to another egg. When we've done the eggs before, we got a Hello Kitty surprise egg and a Shopkins surprise egg.
I wonder what it'll be this time.
Oh, another princess surprise! On the front of this one, we have Belle and Ariel. I wonder which princesses will be in the inside. First, we have a Rapunzel sticker. She's brushing that super long magical hair of hers. This paper shows us the options we can get for the surprise toy. Wow! Look at this! When you move it around, it reveals different princesses.
How cool is this?
I wonder what's in this bag. Oh, it's a cookie! Let's give it a try. It tastes like a shortbread cookie. It's pretty good. Now I need some milk. Well, here's everything we opened today, and this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!